Okay, good evening sa basketball fans. Welcome ulit tayo sa ating game night tonight between Janice Gumay. Okay, ano na po natin? Tangin natin to. Break graphic off. Okay, game. Okay, ito na. Game. Pops up. Bang! Beluesa, 2 points na. 2 points na po kay Misha Beluesa. Binababa po ni John. Number 2, pops up si Bam. Pops up, 2 points din. Finally, 2 points also. 2 all po tayo nga. 9:35 remaining po tayo. Good. Intercepted by Kalisin. Pops up, number 10. No, pistol gun 6. Wala. Rebound by Van Ali. Rebound po kada. Binanatan niya. Then number 6. Binababa ang bola. Binababa ang bola, number 6. To Van again. Van pops up. No good. Rebound. Battle won by Green Ball. Oh, teka lang. Ball overrule. Blue up. Violet ball. Violet ball pulit po tayo. Violet ball. Eto na. Gakad. Pops up. Piyot ang kalaban. 2 points. Kalisin. Pops up, number 10. Pasok ang bola. The score na is 4 all po tayo. 4 all. 4 all po tayo. 4 all. Okay. Gakad. Wala. And up. Pesarillo. Binababa ang bola. Pesarillo. Kalisin. 2 points. Kalisin. 2 points. Abado, and now to Mr. Akain, pops up. Necessary. 3 points off ang Abado. Walang kabado si Abado. Walang kaba si Abado. Hindi siya kabado. And now si Kalisin. Pops up, Pereros. No good. Rebound. Battle won by number 10. Father by Van. Pero pumasok. Velasco, 2 points. Abado, Van, Gakad, wala. Again, back to the green shirts, 8-7 ang score. Kalisin, intercepted by Gakad, nakuha. Beluesa, no good, rebound, battle by Akain. Hey! Back to the green shirts. Green shirts. Bola po ng Janas. Shoot na. Kalisin for 3. It's out. Rebound. Velasco, 2 points. Watak move. Back to Velasco. Pasok ang bola. Balik tayo. Gakad. Kabado. 10-7 ang score. 10-7. Lost the ball. Gakad. Akabado. Van. 3-second violation ang tinawag. 3-second violation ang tinawag. Balik po tayo sa ating laro ngayon. Eto na, number 10. Kay Kalisin nilang bola. Kalisin. And now, Pasarib. To Bereros for 3. Walang pasok. Walang tapon. Tipos kagad ang binanatan niya. Akabado. 6 seconds away. Akain. Good ball. Walang tama. Walang foul. And now, Kalisin. The score is 13-7. The previous score! 2 points. The score right now is 15-7. 57 po tayo, 57. 5 minutes, 41 remaining first quarter action. A black cat with a way to be. Pablo, dumating na rin. Black cat is the way to be. Okay, yan po yung sigakan. Acabado, binababa ang bola. Van Ali, Acabado. Pops up for 2. Balakas. Rebound, perme foul. Foul committed. 5 minutes and 8 remaining. First quarter action. Gakat. Pesarillo. Alisin. Guerreros. Running shot. No. It's Velasco. Number 10. Oy! Traveling violation si number 10. Naipit ang konti. And that's it po. Change play po tayo. Okay, nandiyan na po para sa Oryx. Of course, Azari, Lumawag, Pablo, Salud, and of course, that but that's it po. Sino? Si Melvin. Kabila naman, of course, nandyan si number 5, si Patikin. Si Del Cruz, of course, Angel Reyes, number 23. Number 24, at si number 1, si Mr. Duran, number 1. 5 minutes 10 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Tuloy lang po tayo mga boss. Lumawag, no good, rebound by Salud. Foul. 23 called for a foul. Baluesa, Salud shooting for 2. First foul shot, it's Salud. Madam Fe, good evening po sa'yo, Madam Fe. Pasok ang bola. Second shot, jumpers ready. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw, Salud.
Pops up. Pasok pareho. The score right now is 59. Patigin. Foul. Sundot. Nasundot ang kaboy.
Ball, there's number 21, John Parker.
Pablo called for a foul. 4 minutes 50 remaining. Number 5. Rebound. Inbound. Azari stole the ball. Azari. Mabasahan. Azari. Pablo for 3. No good. Rebound by De La Cruz. RD1. Patigin naman. Nice pass kay Baluesa. Yes, sir. 79 ang score. 8-point lead now being held now by Janas Gourmet. Azari pops up. Mala. Salud. Lost the ball. Patigin. And RD1. Foul. Nice passing. Too much passing. Azari called for a foul. Patigin for the inbound.
Ball by Carmen to
Greg De La Cruz. Nice placing. Nice rotation. And now to De La Cruz. Greg De La Cruz. Side step move. Alanganin. Nice. Lead by Biggie. Pablo for 2. Bang! 2 points. Nice shot by Pablo. 17-11 po score po natin. Laman po ng 6. And now pops up 23. Kapos. Rebound by Biggie. Pablo nagmamadali. Pablo nagmamadali. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Azari. Azari, 2 points. Azari, 2 points. Scott is watching. Madam China Alcantara is watching. Jonah Olive Vergara, nagdaro ka ba dyan? Pops up. No good. Rebound. Rattan out. Good ball. Pablo. Biggie. Ayun. Nice one. Selfless play by Biggie. Number 5.
To Ali1.
RG1. Binantayan. Biggie. Pops up. Dek de la Cruz. Patoy na yan. Pasok na kagad yan. Bank shot kasi. Ginanatan niya. Pag bank shot kasi, Dek de la Cruz na yan. Biggie. Malakas. Patingin. Ayan, De La Cruz. Patingin. Pops up na libre. Malakas. Good ball. Nice one. Baseball pass kay Azari. Azari. 2 points, Azari. The score is 19-17. Official score. Greg De La Cruz. Wala. Pablo. Nakalusot. Pablo. Binabantayan. Pablo. 2 points. Tablados po tayo. 19 all, first set of the game. Madam Peprias. Good evening sa'yo, Madam. Pops up. Wala. Rebound. Salute. Go. Sa 19. Again, De La Cruz. No good. Salute ang rebound. Biggie. Binigyan bola kay Pablo. Pablo. Pops up. Ayaw. Azari. Biggie. Ayun. Pops up. Number 1. Lumawag. No good. Biggie. And one play. Binuhat ni Biggie ang kanyang bantay. And one play ang binanatan. 21-19. 51 seconds remaining.
Second personal foul. 70 foul.
Okay. Pops up. No good. Salud! Tumulay. Salud ulit. 2 points. Salud. Array 4-point play. Binanatan po ng Team Oryx. Patingin. R1. Naipit ang konti. And now, number 23. Baluesa. 2. De La Cruz. Greg. Again, RG1 for 3. Wala. Again, Pablo. Binabati na patingin. Pablo. Lumabas muna for 3. Wala tawag. Rebound. Salud. Sinubo lang bola. Salud. Nice D. Balik, kumat. Number 5. Binato kay RG1. RG1 for 3. Bang! The score right now is 22-23. 22-25 rather. After first 10 minutes of ball game, lamang po ang Oryx basketball ng 3. Before that, alam muna po tayo, mag-break graphic muna po tayo. Ika nga po, mag-community build po tayo. Ito po yun. Sarili natin mundo by TJ Monterde, live in Qatar, with of course Casey Tandingan, directed by Mr. John Prats at Qatar National Convention Center. Get your tickets now, are available po yan po sa Q Tickets, Virgin Outlets, and of course Corner Tickets, and also Al Marabi. Balik po tayo sa ating ball game. The score right now is 22-25. Pablo, Nadera, Acabado. Number 1, intercepted. Akai tried to take the ball. Hoy! Cañedo na wala bola. Hans Cañedo lost the ball. Van, Inung, pinasok lang ni Van ang bola. Ali Van, 22-27. Lamang pa rin po ng 5 na ngayon ang ikang Team Oryx. 29. Kalisin. Ayun. Nice one. Naku, kapos. Malakas. Wala naman. Foul. Who's ball rep? Who's ball rep?
Ball is number 10.
Number 10 called for a foul. Hans Cañedo inbounding the ball. Hans Cañedo. Velasco for 3.
Velasco.
Tapos. Oh! Pilot ball.
What is wrong?
Oryx ball po tayo. Oryx ball. Akabado. 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 Running shot. Yes, sir. 2 points. Akabado 2 points. 22-29. 8 minutes to 2 remaining. Kalisin. Nice one by Hans Cañedo pero nice hustle play. Nako na Philippines. Binato na. Akabado. Akabado 2 points pa. Akabado 2 points. 31-22. A leg biggest lead of the ball game at 9 points. Akunya. Akunya. Hop! Good ball. Pops up. Tapos. Akabado, 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 akabado. Akabado, walang kabado, si Akabado. Akabado, akabado. Jerk, si Jerk Barroso. Number 10. Pops up, Melvin. Kapos. Naggeto. Kalisi, malalim. Nandun naman si Velasco. Nice training job by Velasco. Okay. 24-31. 34-21. Dirk Barroso. No good, no good, no good. Ayun na, si Mr. Pops up 2 points. Nice one by Kalisi. And timeout no call by Oryx.
Three times 7 minutes, 11 seconds. The official score 26.
Alex Sultan is watching. Thank you po, Sir Alex Sultan. Black Dimanang, nandiyan din pala po, nagpaparamdem din. Vice Engineer also, nandiyan din. Sa ating GC. Seven minutes 11 remaining. On the way na raw. Okay, ma'am. Yung pusupig tayo po, madam. Madam Sandra. Trapping. I think there's a trap now. Nice interception. Okay, Kalisi. 2 points. 28-31. Lead just has evaporate now for Team Oryx. Akabado, akabado. Trapping, trapping. Nagtatrap sila. A trap not initiated. Van! 2 points, Van. Ba't na pag malaki, grabe. Ang laki. 28-33. Fadeaway shot, 2 points. Saba, 2 points. Lalvin. Ali! Sinubo ang bola. Sinubo ang bola. Ganun lang. Ali, sinubo lang ang bola. Ganun lang. Napakasimple. Alisin. Zigzagging move. Intercepted. Acabado. Foul! Hans Cañedo.
Foul, personal 8,
Hans Cañedo called for a foul.
First personal foul, first team foul, Jana's team.
Jana's team. 5 minutes 51 remaining at 30-35 second quarter action.
Body the ball in Santos.
Ito po tayo, Acabado. Dirk. Lost the ball. Number 10. Number 10. Nako! Intercepted. Acuna. Intercepted. Again! Intercepted. 2 points. Acuna 2 points, 32-35. Ang score po natin ngayon. 5 minutes 30 remaining. Laman po ng tatlo ang Team Oryx. Ali, pops up, short stab. No good. Walang tawag. Alisin. Naiwan mag-isa. Malakas. Acabado. Secret sway. Dirk Barroso. Malakas. 2 points. James Brett po tayo. 37-32. Lamang ng 5 ang Team Oryx over Janus Gourmet.
We should score 32-37. 5 points lead for Oryx team.
Ibig po mga magdiin po. Okay, pumasok na ang second lineup po ngayon. Ang second lineup, Patigin and Company versus of course Pablo and Company along with Biggie. Pesarillo, Mr. Patigin. Pow! 0-0. 0-0 call for a foul. Anzari call for a foul.
Second foul.
Anzari call for a foul.
Bought the ball by Guerrero.
4 minutes 55 remaining. Number 10. Pop. Sundok hindi. Aaron. Bothered. Again bothered. Pesarillo. Naipit ang konti. Bereros.
Front to shoot.
Pesarillo. Pops up for 3. Bang. No. It's outside. Rattle out. Number 10. Wala pa rin. Rebound. May lumawag. Yan po mga naglaro po sa ibang liga po yan. Sola po yan po ng QBFR and of course no good. Huwag ka muna magtitira. Boy. Okay, ito na po tayo. Bereros again for 3. Malakas. And out of bounds. Wapa!
Oryx ball.
Namamlaking kick na si Patigin. Balik po tayo. Pablo for the inbound. Pablo inbounding. Yes, number 0. Asarin si Pablo again. Siya doon magdadala ng bola. Sige. Magdala ng bola yung bata. Biggie. Yes, sir. 39 Biggie, 2 points. Ferreros, naipit. 3 point shots. Aaron De La Cruz, no good. Biggie naka-rebound. Kick pass kay Zari. Azari! 2 points sa Zari. 32-41. Again, another 9-point deal again being posted down by Team Oryx Basketball. Number 5. What the Balay nagbabalik si Patigin sa ere. Patigin 2 points. Okay na, binabantay na yun. Binabantay 21, nakalusot na. 21, running shot, no good. Nandun, sayang, muntik pa. Nice rebound ni Lumawag, shooting for 2. Okay, Jonathan Oliver Gara, John Ray Wick, Mikoy Kiam, Mikoy, shout out. Okay po, sir. Pops up. No good. Second shot. Lumawag. Second throw, jumpers ready. Lumawag, yan po yung nagdadala rin po sa ibang liga po like DFL. Like DFL, Mercado, symbol. Like DFL po, ano so QBFL. Yan po yung mga ano niya. Lumawag! 2 points sumawag. 44-43. Lumawag 2 points. Tapet. Aaron. 3-second violation. And timeout called by Janas Gourmet. Janas Gourmet called for the timeout. Okay. This is now 34-43. Balik muli po tayo sa ating ball game. Azari. Pablo. Nice screen. Pablo. Double dribble. Lopez, paano man pasuyo siya lang?
Volleyball by Muhammad Peggy. Volleyball by Pablo. Dallas score. What a goal by Isabel. First personal foul, 30 foul, Janas. Take it to Pablo. And to shoot, score by Pablo. This number three, Veneros. First personal foul, running no penalty, Janas. Walk the ball by the startup Vicky. Pablo.
Thank you, Sir Lopez, for standing in. Ano po yun? Okay, the score is 36-45. May konting ano lang. Okay, medyo konting nagmi-meeting lang muli yung mga referee. Kaya pala ginaganapan Janas Gourmet ngayon dahil sinandiyan ang kanilang muse pala nanonood. Kaya sinasabi nga talaga, mayroon nagkasabihan. Kaya hindi effort sa paman, is a woman always. Kaya siguro ginagana niya ang oras niyo, nanonood yung muse kasi nila. Patigin. 36-41 seconds remaining. Aaron De La Cruz. Hey! Dilabas. Diluwa ang bola.
Ball number one.
Foul number
Number
1.
one, Lumawag.
Lumawag call for a
First
foul.
personal foul. Third team foul.
18. Pops up.
Personal
Pasok.
please.
18. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
Minute time 37 seconds. Second row, Aaron De La
Pops
Cruz.
up. Both basket made. 38-43 per 45 po tayo. 30 for Pablo. Pablo. Batigin. Lost the ball. Batigin. Nakuha ng bola ng batigin. Hoy! Namulat po tayo. Chilang.
Ball just number 12. Mustafa Ledi.
Biggie call for a foul.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
One po penalty po ang Team Oryx.
28 seconds.
28 seconds remaining.
Pass to De La Cruz. Back to the
Pops up
line.
Lorena. Pops up. Pops Lorena. 2 points. 40-45.
20 seconds.
Again! This team defeated. Lost the ball. Lost the ball.
13 seconds.
Again, the choke is in for Oryx. Foul! Twelve seconds remaining.
Number 18. Aaron De La Cruz.
Aaron Jones called for a foul. Penalty situation ang Janas Gumay.
Remaining time 12 seconds.
40-45.
First row, Ledi.
Biggie. Second shot.
Second row, Mustafa Ledi.
Pops up. No good. Rebound. Patingin 2 points. Wala na! 42-45. Di pa na si Pwede Biggie. Standby po tayo po sa ating third quarter action. Before that, mag-alam po na po tayo. Ito po yon. First of all, you're watching now the first game for the day between Janis Gumetio and of course, ang Team Oryx. And of course, before that, nga namin po kayo para muna po ng sarili natin mundo by TJ Monterde. Live in Qatar with Casey Tanjingan. Diyan po yan po sa Qatar National Convention Center. Get your tickets now. Diyan po yan po sa Q Tickets, Cornerstone Tickets, and Almarabe. Sama naman natin po ang Virgin Tickets. Again, on 11 na po yan this coming Friday. Casey Tanjingan. Also, with DJ Monterde, sarili natin mundo live in Qatar. Yan. Ano po tayo? Standby po tayo sa ating third quarter action. Prospect like to analyze po yung news po ng Oryx. Nandiyan po ngayon yung news po ng Oryx. Di ka maglaro, Scott? Ha? Okay, 42-46, Schwarer pala ang score. Na-shoot pala isa kasi kanina. Yan. We're about to start, wait now for the third quarter action. Live po tayo dito, always po tayo sa Curling Season International School in Doha. Tuk-Tuk Saigon, please shoutout po, Tuk-Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Yan, masasarap po pagkain po dyan. Guaranteed po yan. And of course, it's an original Vietnamese feast. Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Sir, may gumagalaw kasi camera. Salamat po, salamat po. And afterwards po, ito pa singay po namin. And of course, yan po yun Maraming salamat po. Ito po yun paalala po, ito pa ating mga sponsors po namin. Backdollars kita MC Cargo, Janus DJ Giannas, Basketball Team, Lucky Shanty, Janus Comitio, Widas Apparel, Don't Get Up Around You're Wearing It, HB Kicks, Hook Up Qatar, and of course, JPEX TV. Also, Mr. Christopher Dockway, Sinag Digital Media. Sama na po natin po ang I1 Nation. You're watching the first game for the day. And afterwards po, ito po ating second game. Maraming salamat po. And mami po pala, 11 na po yan. Sa natin mundo with live in Qatar with TJ Monterde. And of course, with Casey Santingan. Live po yan July 11, 2025 sa Qatar National Convention Center. Maraming salamat po. And magkantay na po tayo ng ating second half basketball action between Oryx Basketball Team and Giannas Gourmet Masters. Tayo na po tayo mga boss para sa third quarter action 42-46. Laman po ng apat po ang team Oryx over Giannas. At taris wala sa Balang Peprias po nandyan din ng po yan ng Giannas basketball team. Yung papapilas sa color po si Madam Fe Giannas. Nandiyan si Madam Sandra din po ng MC Cargo. Maraming salamat. Thank you also pala po for gracing our basketball game po, Madam Sandra and Madam Fe. Okay. Ano po tayo? Halftime po tayo yun If you're wondering ito, we're now on halftime. Nag-antay na po tayo ng ng maglalaro po natin. Second half po tayo. Will start now in 5, 4, 3, 2-1. Second half basketball action starts right now. The score is 42-46. Laman po ng apat po ang Oryx basketball team.
Salamat po sa inyong first aid game. Back to the game, number 12, Honor.
Third quarter action now start right now. Tayo muna dito. Ayan. Okay, third quarter action will start right now.
Charles Ball.
Bola to po ng Janas.
Vicious goal.
Okay, RD1, idol, bossing.
Perfect speed for
RD1, yung kanilang tactician. RD1, ang Bisuran Twins now is already in. Pereros, ayan na. Papsa, Pesarillo, wala. Ayun, Velasco, Pesarillo mali, wala pa rin. Pedro shot, wala.
Who's ball there? Ball goes to number 08.
Number 8, Gakat called for a foul.
Second personal ball. First kick ball.
Second person po ni Gakat po yan. Papsa, Pesarillo, pasok. Patok.
Second ball. Bayan Pesarillo.
Again, second shot. Basketball, basket made.
Ball by Ali.
41-46.
To Pablo.
Pablo again. And that's RD1. Foul! Ouch.
Ball goes number 26. Second personal ball. First kick ball.
Lost the ball.
Pass to Manolo.
Hans, kanya ito nilabas. Wala pa rin. Pops up. Foul! For the tie.
Number 08. Kaka.
Gakad. Kenji Carbonell is also watching.
Second kick ball. Oryx.
Pesarillo. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. 41-46. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. 45-46 naman ang isa. Teka lang daw. Sabi ng referee. Pablo. Nakawala si Pablo. Grabbing shong. Lost the ball. The choke is in again for Oryx. Oh, stepping on the line, sabi ng referee. Tama. Gakad, inbounding. Booker press. Been posted now by Team Janas. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound. Bam! Naka-rebound si Van. Velasco. Pasok ang bola kay Velasco. 47-48. Pablo. Binababa ang bola. Pablo pops up. 2 points, Pablo. Binomba even somebody's bothering him. Wala pa rin. Pasok pa rin kay Pablo. Hans. Velasco pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Velasco. 2 points. 49-50. 5 seconds. Yan! 5 seconds violation.
Substitution. Going by Hans Van
Velasco.
Velasco.
Dukot sila rin. Change favor.
Change favor na tayo.
Kabado. Palpal. Sunod, tugod. 51-50. Laman na po ang Janas ang isa. Again, Velasco. Palpal. Pablo. Wait. Nangyari ka, no?
Injury time mo na tayo.
Injury time tayo. Ating nabantay yata, nakampas yata o sabi. Batuhod. Natuhod. Okay, balik po tayo. Please take note po. 51-50 po score po natin. At exactly 6 minutes 57. Balik tayo now. Hans Cañedo.
Tulong talaga yun sa mga players natin.
Natuhod. Yung ano. Batingin. Kalisi to, batingin. Dioyo. Ayun, tinapon. Pampira yan. Ang ginawa mo, Cañedo. Kakaiba yun. Ang kabado. Van. 2 points. Ali, 2 points. Salud. So, pinapakita kung sino siya. Hans Cañedo for the inbound. Kalisi nasa loob din. Medyo shaken pa si Velasco. Pwede natin, baka babalikan mamaya. Kalisin. Pops up for 3. Patayin butike. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Lumawag. Pablo. For 3. No good. Kalisin. Difficult shot. Wow. Batangkad. Arjun Kalisin called for a foul. Akabado. Van. Giovanni Ali. For 3. That's where. Missed. 53-52. Kalisin. Pata! Pero may foul. Sumabit. Ali called for a foul. Oh.
Ali first personal foul. Third free foul. Oryx. Team free throw by Aaron De La Cruz.
2 for 2. First shot. Pasok. It's in.
52-54. 2 points lead for Delta Steam.
Second shot. Jumper's ready.
Second row, Aaron de la Cruz.
Pasok. Basket made, 55-52. Again, 3-point lead na naman. Ang Janas. Acabado. Pablo. And one play! Acabado, walang kabado, si Acabado. Number 6, Acabado, shooting for the bonus free throw. Walang kabado, si Acabado. Para itabla ang laban. Pasok. Tablado tayo. 55 all. This is now getting interesting. Walang kabado, si Acabado. Ayan, tops up. Ito na. Aaron de la Cruz against Van. Number 16, short stop, no good. Van, nakarebound. Foul. Sa muna po to tayo. Okay, number 10, pinasok muna. Para kay Aaron de la... Para kay Greg. Pablo, counted by Kalisin. Pablo, nagmamadali. Hindi na makalusot kay Kalisin. Binabati kay Kalisin para Anino. Nice D by Mr. Aaron. Aaron de la Cruz, nice D.
13 seconds. Walking ball by Pablo.
Acabado, tablado ay 55. Acabado, lumusot! Foul! Who's foul rep? Walang kabado si Acabado.
Versus number 3. Penalty, Janas.
Janas to make penetration. Janas. Perero, second person pa. Lumawag, number 1, shooting for 2. Lumawag, number 1, shooting for 2. Pops up, pasok. Okay, lead again muli po ang Team Oryx over Janas. Number 2 shot coming up. Pops up, pasok pareho. 57-55, lamang na naman ng dalawa ang Team Oryx. Pereros, Kalisin, Leo mag-isa, Kalisin muli, Kalisin for 3, bang! Anong lamang kamo? Ilang kami lamang, sabi ni Kalisin. Salud. Traveling violation, Cotton, salud. Nice D by number 10. Sub muna po tayo, sub.
Pakitakin mo
Ayun na.
Takit mo tayo.
Pahardo, pumasok
All
na rin po.
players, please lock in.
All pairs po tayo, dapat takin po tayo ha. Huwag tayo mag-content tayo.
Pass to Fajardo.
Sarillo, Fajardo naman. Lost the ball, malakas ang pass ni Fajardo. Akabado, nakulusot. Foul! Walang kabado sa kabado. Hindi kinakabahan si Kabado. Again, 15-57. De la Cruz, pangatlo na po rin Aaron De La Cruz yan. Penetration po ang Janas team. At 3 minutes 35 remaining. Binanatan dalawang bata. No good. Second shot. Dalawang slasher, binanatan. Akabado number 6, second throw para itabla ang laban. Both baskets lumen, net made. Break. up. No good. Rebound. Pablo nakalusot. Pablo pops up. Foul. Shaky foul. Okay, ano po tayo dyan dito?
August number 16. Kalisin. Substitution. Aldo Kalisin.
Kalisin, pangalan ni Kalisin din yan.
Substitution.
Okay, pinasok na rin si Pesarillo din. Si Akain, pinasok na rin. Yung kanilang big man din, si Akain. Number 19, Pablo for shot. No good. Shots missing.
3 minutes and 16 seconds.
Second throw, jumpers ready, Pablo.
1 point lead for Jonas.
Pops up. Pasok. 58 all. Pahardo. Velasco, pinasok muli. Guerreros. Pesarillo for 3. Wala. Pop, fade away shot. No good rebound, pero 1 by 1. Akabato. Lumawag. 1. Pops up. Shortstop, no good. Taplato striker, 28. Guerreros. Pops up. No good. Pablo. Akain. Banging bodies. Foul. Still away. Wala foul. Tapos. 2 points. Pardo 2 points. Timeout, Team Oryx. Alam mo na po tayo. Okay, live po muli po at TJ Montero. Sila natin mundo live in Qatar. Of course, dyan po yung sa Qatar National Convention Center with Casey Tandingan. Get your tickets now. Available po sa Q Tickets, Virgin Tickets, Almarabe, and Cornerstone Concerts. Yan po kay sa TJ Montero live in Qatar. Balik tayo sa ating laro. Back to the bogey. Muli po tayo ngayon. Back to the ball game. Azari. Belgado, binababa ang bola. Choke again. Choke. Number 10. No! Pasok na naman. 62-58. Akabato. Chilang tayo guys, chilang tayo. Chilang. Wala yan, chilang. Chilang tayo. Hellball situation. Oryx ball. Bola po ng Oryx. Bale, purple ball. Purple ball po tayo. Biggie, pinasok na rin. Nilabas mo na si Van. Okay, pang-bonus lang.
Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds. Official score.
A minute and 38 remaining.
4 points lead for Jonas Lee.
Diyan din tayo.
Abdul Masari.
Biggie, Akain nila. Malakas! Nice one. Guerreros. Ayun mag-isa. 2 points. 6 pa Akabato. Biggie. 56-58, laman na 8. 8 kagad, lumobo kagad ang 8 ang Kalamangan. Ansari. Delgado. Proper bench decorum, please. Proper bench decorum, please. Delgado inbounding. Delgado inbounding. Ansari. Ansari. Ansari malakas. Nawala na naman ang bola. Pops up. No good. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Coremia, wala pa rin. Good ball. Solid. Still completed. One more time. Velasco. Bang! Winger. Akabado. Akain for 3. That's it. Okay, after another 10 seconds, 10 minutes po tayo. 68-58 lamang na naman ang Giannas ng 10. Final 10 minutes coming up sa larong ito. Pagkatapos po nito, of course, ha? Final 10 minutes coming up. Ha! Final 10 minutes coming up. Okay, patigin for the inbound. Patigin, naka-inbound. Nasa ilalim po, si Patigin. Patigin. Pahardo. Pahardo. 2 points. Coremia 2 points. 12 na nakakalabangan. The biggest lead of the ball game. Ansari. Foul! Foul! Sabi ng referee, foul daw, foul. 70-58. Lamang po ng 12 ang Team Orange, ang Team Giannas. Ali, 2 free throws. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumper ready by Ali. Second throw by Ali. Giovanni Ali, second throw. Pops up. It's out. Both baskets out. Lost the ball. Pablo. Foul. Okay. Okay, second. Pahardo, foul on 21. Pahardo, kasi muna po tayo yun. 40 minutes kay Velasco. Ansari. Solid for 3. No good. Shot selection. Ito tayo ngayon. Patigin. Ayun! 2 points. Meron din ako 2 points. 14 na po kalamangan ng Team Giannas.
Giving the ball to Mike.
Loremia! Buti na lang, sabi nila. Azari. Azari. Pablo. One and pick. Bang! 3 points. Three points. Laban ng labisa. Bereros. Over the back sana. Matigda. Acabado. Pablo for 3 again. Shot selection. De La Cruz. 3. Salud. Salud. 2 points salud. 74-63. Lamang po na labisan na naman. Malayo pa yan. Since eternity. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Sabi nila. Sabi ng aking puting ahas. Binabantayan. Eto na. Pops up. No good. Salud. Naka-rebound. Pablo. Binabantayan. Pablo. Azari. Double team. Salud. 1. No good. Foul. Pablo.
August number 21, Pablo.
20 ang Pablo for foul.
Pablo first round. First kick foul, substitution. The next foul, RD1. Pablo second first foul.
Pablo, second first of Bereros. Nilabas muna para sa press time yan. Aaron. Nice! Stop out by Azari.
Same ball.
Same ball tayo, same ball. 6:42 remaining. 6:42 remaining. No good, rebound by Bangan. Pablo, 2 points. 74-65. Lamang ng siyam ang team Janas. Batigin. Pagpal! Naku, nisunod ang bola. Naku naman nila ang bola. Malakas. Rebound by Van. Ali. Azari. Bilisin nyo. Acabado. 2 points. And a time of called na by Team Janas. Nakakami na dugo po ang Timorek. The score right now is 74-67. Pito lang po yan. Sinasabi daw po nila. They have to adjust again the teams and the mood also. Patara pag matangkad, no? Simple basketball. Okay, back to the ball game.
Our next player, Patasa Pressure.
Patasa Pressure brings the shot. RD1, patigin again. Pablo and Acabado. Sa kabila naman, dalawang youngsters. Acabado. 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 Salud. Lost the ball.
Zero by Alibaba.
Pablo. Asari. Pablo, Papa. Lapred. Two points, patigil. 70-67. Laman ng Siyam. Chain ball. Nice. Hustle by Batigid. Pablo. Pablo. And one play salute. 77-69. Lamang ng 7 muli. Salute for the bonus free throw. Para maging 6. Salute, pinapakita kung sino talaga ang hari ng banang ring. Please take po. Salute po yung once and GCC player. And recent GCC also nag-participate din po siya. Salute for the bonus free throw. Black Dimana, Escat is watching again. Salute, Papsa, Kapos. Okay, official score po ay 71-76. 5 lang po ang kalamangan ng Janas. As per official po yan ha. Huwag kayo magre-reklamo. Official po ito. Batigin. Pops up. No good. Azari. Batigin. Tingin 3. Tingin 3. Pops up nga. No good. Rebound by Van. Salute. Akabado. 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 2 points. 2 points Akabado. 70-73. Tatlo na lang yan. Ito na tayo. We have a ball game again, boys. Again, Batigin. 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 Wala pinasahan si Batigin. Nice play sana. Okay, pass. Mahardo pinasok muna rin along with number 10 at si Pesarillo. Pinasok din yung kanilang second na kabato nila, second na unit nila ngayon. Akabado, Akabado, Akabado. Akabado, Akabado, Akabado. Akabado. Garenya 2 points. Again, that show. Back to back. Tama Torres team. Kaya lang katatlo, naging 7 na naman. Chill lang tayo. Okay, meeting muna. Meeting. Bigat yan. Meeting muna. Meeting. Pinagmi-meeting kasi. May konting ano lang kasi. To control the ball game, ano muna po tayo? Oh, here's the verdict now.
Andrew Salud.
Salud, call for the foul.
Regular foul.
Regular foul.
Giannis ball.
Giannis ball. Yun lang. Thank you.
Salud first. Personal foul.
Salud, first person na panit Salud.
Second team foul. Oryx team.
Oryx basketball. 2 minutes 59 remaining.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Regarding the ball, RD1. Pass for Pahalo.
Pardo. Pardo again. Pardo. Pops up. Wala. Strip away.
Pass out.
Pablo.
Pablo.
Nakabado. Foul.
Ball goes to number 21. Renzo Pahalo.
Pardo.
Second personal foul.
Second. One
Running
penalty for Team Janas. 14 pop Team Janas. Sorry. Pablo. Super. Oryx team call for timeout. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Lumawag. Foul. Foul. Lamang po ng 11 ng Siyam ang Team Janas. Penalty situation po ang Team Janas. Lumawag shooting for 2.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Pops up.
Basket.
Basket made.
Second throw.
Second shot, jumper ready.
Lumala.
No good. Siyam. Ay, 8. Lamang na 8. 2 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter na po. Pereros in line. No good. Wala na. Lumawag. Lifting violation.
Giannis ball. 1 minute and 42 seconds.
1 minute 42 remaining.
Giving the ball back is Rico.
100. 10. Ay, ayun. Pops up. So good. Wala na, surrender na. Surrender na patan.
Akabada.
2 points.
Akabada. 30 seconds. Is everyone ready to ball? To shoot.
Pajardo. 2 points. That's it. Okay, that's it. Final score, 86-76. Panalo pa rin po ang Giannas. Again, back to the drawing boards po muli po ang Team Oryx. Before we go, we'd like to thank... Okay, before we go po, saan natin muna by Casey Tandingan and also TJ Montreal live po yan po sa Qatar. Get your tickets now, dyan po yan po sa Qatar National Convention Center. Available po yan po sa Q Tickets, Cornerstone of Concerts, Virgin Tickets, and Al Marabe. Maraming salamat po, and again, ito po yung host with you, Arvin G. Vlogs with you. Stand by po the second game for today between Ayesha and Qatar Sublimation Sports Fair. Maraming salamat po, and thank you very much. See ya!